Second part of the microbial genetics will study the transduction. In this, basically, virus transfer the genetic material from the one bacteria to another bacteria. It is used for genetic engineering for inserting the gene foreign DNA into the host cell. It was discovered by Zinder and Liderberg in Salmonella typhi bacteria. First of all, we'll take the bacteria and the virus, which is on a bacteriophage. It interacts on it, and now it releases its genetic materials, and it get recombined with this bacterial genetics, and it form the recombinant DNA, and further the multiplication of the viral gene occur, and that viral gene get burst out of the cell. Now they now they form the, take another cell as a host, and then they transfer their genetic material to it, and this process continues. It is basically application is important for local for it is basically important tool for genetic engineering, inserting the gene of choice to an plant and animal and modify its genotype. It is also used in gene therapy. It is important for genetic and molecular biology. In basically types of transduction is generalized transduction and specialized transduction. In generalized transduction, here the phage can carry any part of the DNA, right? But in specialized, the phage has take only specific part of the DNA.